Worst actress ever.
She asked what oh, she didn't know what 2 Girls 1 Cup was, and we were explaining it to her.
Have you ever heard of it? 2 girls in 1 cup.
Oh my god.
Yeah, and then
Did they tell you what it is?
we told her. Yeah, it's like, yeah, we told you.
But would you for $1 billion?
She asked if you would do that, and then
If it came from the Pope, because then it'd be holy shit.
Aw, it was funny the first time.
Guys, are you high?
No.
No?
Do you fart?
Yeah. No. I'm kidding. I didn't.
We're about to get high now.
I swear to God, I didn't.
Indian hashish.
I'm so confused what's going on.
Arab hashish.
They have to take a video for the class.
Wait, so we're talking about 2 girls in 1 cup.
Yeah.
And you want to know if you would do it for $1 million?
For $1 billion.
Well,
billion.
How much would you?
I was gonna say you would eat shit for $1 billion.
I would eat shit for $1 million. I would eat
For
shit.
$1 million.
Anyone's shit.
Shalini was saying that she would eat the Pope shit because it'd be holy shit, so that's okay.
And they were saying that Shalini.
I would never eat from a hobo.
She would. Oh, I think you said you would eat a hobo.
No, I would never eat.
Oh no, hobo would be
How much do we
nasty.
have to eat hobo?
Can we be
hobo
really,
shit?
really drunk?
Like at least a turd, like a full turd.
Oh. No. How much money? like you don't let him poop for a week.
Like a sauce.
Everything that comes out.
No, and then give him some spicy Indian.
That's just gonna come out with blood. That's not.
Okay, wait. What was your original question?
How much money would you have to?
Oh, to take for a hobo?
For hobo shit.
For hobo shit, dude, like 100 billion.
Yeah.
Cause that shit comes with like STDs and stuff.
100 million or 100 billion?
Billion.
100 billion.
So you would contact an STD for $100 million, basically.
Contract.
Yeah, cause then I could probably
Contact.
then I could probably like use the money to like somehow find a way to get rid of it. You
Okay,
know?
now there's trillions of dollars going into AIDS research, and there's still no cure.
Okay, we
Okay,
would
but-
have to check the validity of the poop.
Okay, wait.
Yeah,
If
there
it
had
was
to be tests.
If it was hobo poop, but you knew for sure this hobo
What about
doesn't have
animal
STDs.
Ooh,
Yeah,
I could do animal poop.
I would test a hobo first for STDs
You would
and
do
HIV.
animal poop before you do hobo.
And dogs' mouths are cleaner than ours, and cows only like eat grass, so that'd be like vegetarian
You for
poop.
sure will get some parasites from animal poop.
Yeah, but vegetarian.
You can get some tapeworms in your brain from animal poop.
You could get tapeworm from human poop.
Hobo poop is disgusting.
Have you tried it?
No.
Sounds like you tried it.
I've never tried hobo poop.
You sure about that?
Yeah, never try hobo poop.
I don't know. How do you get iron in your diet? Hobo poop.
What?
How do you get iron in your diet? Hobo poop.
I heard you can get a really good facial from poop, so maybe you know.
I've heard that you can get.
I heard you can get it from bird poop if you apply it on your face. For real.
Yeah.
It's
You're
a good
not even-
facial.
There's nothing in. Yeah.
There was
It's just the door right now. There you go.
in Mirror. Do you remember that part? Or
Oh, where she got
she got the facial from the bird poop.
Guano is really good. They sell that shit. That's bad poop. That they sell that shit really. That's like really expensive.
Wait, what poop?
Guano. It's bad.
You're speaking English?
This is not Mexican.
That's the name of bad poop. Guano.
Oh, we didn't even introduce ourselves.
I'm Pooja.
I'm Abuelita Taco Machete.
Thanh you.
I'm Michiti Gigi. Michaela?
And Shalini.
My
Hopefully you
real
can-
name is Mina.
No, let's not lie.
I had an exotic name.
Like Abuelita Taco Machete?
Yeah. Wait, what does that mean?
Abuelita is her nickname.
Oh,
Abuelita's grandma,
Abuelita, grandma,
Taco
yeah.
Machete. These are the words
But
that
when you say it
they.
really fast, it sounds like
Abuelita,
a
take
real
a machete.
name.
Okay.
Okay.
Abuelita.
Bye. Don't
Take a
do
machete.
two. What is it?
You be eating too much poop. Can't even talk anymore.
2 girls, 1 cup. Don't do it.
Don't let anyone fool you into watching that.
Yeah, don't.
that video.
Nasty.
Nasty, nasty.